Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Task Manager into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. First, what we're going to do, how you can open it is your Task Manager. Simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then here you will get an option called Task Manager. If you click on that, your Task Manager is opened. And now here is something is very important to know that there is some apps that are running into your background. You can see this Google Chrome and also this OBS Studio, also the Task Manager, and these three apps is showing over here. In your computer, which app is running into your background, you will get it very well. And then here you can see there is an option called background processes. There are 45 apps. Those are processing into your background, and after that there will be an option called performance over here, and from here you can know everything about your CPU, that which speed your CPU is running on in your computer, how much memory you are using, and also how much disk space you have in C and D in your SSD, and also how much speed you are getting from your Ethernet. And this is the GPU, where is your GPU is going through. And also you can have some information over here into your GPU section, also in the disk space, also in the CPU space, and you can see there are a lot of advantages to know how your CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, GPU performing. And after that there is an option called app history, how much it's taking CPU time, how much is network it's getting, and how much notifications you're getting from them. Also there have an option called startup. These apps, when you open your computer, these apps will be running if here is enabled, and if it's disabled then these are not will start when you start your computer. After that there is a user interface over here. You can see how many people are using this computer. You can see it over here. I only using these and these kind of apps over here. If you have a lot of users, then you will get different user name and different types of apps using information over here. So this is how you can use Task Manager into your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.